So here we have it, the offending oven with the blown bulb. As you can see, when we turn it on, we're getting no bulb coming on at all. So the little bulb is up here and it's got a screwed glass cap on it. We've got to try and get that off. We've made a special tool from an old pair of pliers. Let's get you in there so you can see what's going on. So I need to make a tool to try and unscrew that glass cap because I haven't got the Bosch tool to get it out. So what I'm thinking, pair of grips, tape around the nozzles, gently onto the glass noggins and see if we can get it out. We'll give it a go. I put the tape on there just to take the sharpness off the metal and hopefully stop it breaking the glass. We'll soon see. So let's just get that round. Get a layer of that around the end of that. That's one. It's only got to be on the tip of it. Two. Okay. There we go. Nicely taped up. Let's give it a go. So here we go. Look at this tatty old oven in here, look. So there's the light that's not working. And that's the glass cap we're going to try and get off. Now on this, there's like little ridges on the glass. There's 4 of them, and there's a special tool that you can get to get it off. But I'm hoping these pliers will do it. If I can get one side and the other. So it moves, the whole lot moves so far. But we need to screw it anti-clockwise. If I can just get that side of the, either side of that, we'll just get these pliers the right width. Right, so about there. So that ridge is there, that ridge is there. Just a light grip on it and try and turn it. Bingo, something's happened. There we go, look. There it is. That's nice. And then again, is this a screw bulb? Oh, you can see the filament broken in there. If you can see that when we get that out. And there it is. With that little dangly broken filament inside. So there we have it. We'll change the bulb and we'll put a new one in there. Looking at this, can we see any numbers on it? Oh, there was something there, but it looks like it's been wiped off. Oh, here we go. It's a Dr. Fisher 300 degrees, 240 volt. Doesn't give us any wattage though, so it's a specific oven bulb. Let's see if we can get hold of one of them off the internet. Bingo! So here we go. This is the replacement bulb. It's a little pygmy bulb. It's a Philips oven bulb from Screwfix. You get 2 of these little fellas for £2.19. So it's an absolute bargain. The thread on them is called an SES. So it's an SES thread. There we go. 25 watts. Let's bang it in the oven. Okay, here we go. So there's the existing, we stick that in there and screw that up. I'll just give that a flick on the thing just to try the light. Bingo. Excellent stuff. Now the glass dome, look, is completely covered in carbon. So I'm going to give that a quick clean and then we'll put that back up as well. There we go, a bit of Caffeezer, a bit of carb cleaner, and bingo, it's almost spotless. Good enough for me. Let's get that back on again. Okay, I'll just screw that back in there. Cross ready. I'm going to go just slightly hand tight. There we go. Lovely. And there we have it. Beautiful. So one thing you're not going to worry about too much, that glass housing that covers the bulb, it's thick, it's about 5mm glass, so you've not got to be too concerned of getting your grips on there and crushing it. You're really going to have to give it some pressure to break it, so it is quite sturdy, so you can give it a little bit of leverage. So really pleased with that. That's been a job I've meaning to do for absolutely ages, just one of those, but that was really tight, couldn't get it off with my hand. We had to use the grips on it just to pop it off, but once it was unscrewed, changed that bulb over. Nice little oven bulb, Philips from Screwfix, SES connector, straight in, little pygmy bulb, brilliant. If that's been of any use to you, drop me a thumbs up or a comment. Thanks for watching.